So regarding service design, it's all about putting the user center to understand really what is the needs and expectations of the user. For example, we are currently conducting uh, procurement project in Estonia, how our school and teachers can buy a better digital learning materials. So for that, we are doing the service design process by starting to mapping out what are the real needs and pain points of the teachers, so to truly understand what might help them what could actually create fractions there. So before jumping to the solution, we start by really mapping out the user needs and expectations.